Tell the feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the night.
Welcome back to Everyday Cooking with your girl Brown Sugar. What's up, Brown Sugar gang? Today I'm just eating a little lunch. Things that I had in the kitchen. Nothing too fancy. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, share, comment. Feel free to comment down below. I always say that. But make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell twice so you won't miss a video, please and thank you. Okay, so let's get into what we have. My mouth is watering. I'm hungry. This is roast chicken flavored ramen, roast chicken. Then we have some tomatoes. I hope y'all can see my plate. And I have one medium egg. I just split it in half. One medium egg, some cucumbers, some jalapeno. I had some leftover coleslaw from Popeyes and a Van Holten's. I'm sorry, can you guys see that? Van Holten's dill pickle. And of course some green tea. So let's get it in. Let me see my rice. Alright. First bite, y'all. Y'all want the first bite of that ramen? Go ahead. Take the first bite. It was very sticky. I should have added some butter. But that's okay. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is like a little juice right there. But it's good though. I haven't eaten it all day. I think it's like it's like 1 o'clock already. I love watermelon. I mean cucumbers. Oh my god. I'm telling you, when I'm eating, my mind be just straight on eating. I mean my own little world. Seriously. I'm so hungry. Oh my god. I just want to try everything. Have you guys ever had a lot of variety of food and just didn't know what you want to eat first? Coleslaw. Happy dance. Well, what's been going on, you guys? I hope everybody's been good. Thank you to the new subscribers. If you are new and you're watching this, if you like this content or you like cooking tutorials and Samara's mukbangs, go ahead and click on that bell. Should I go for the jalapeno? No, I think I'm gonna wait. And I'm gonna use some of this Frank's. I love this hot sauce. I'm gonna add a little on my ramen just to spice it up a little bit. Y'all know I like it spicy. Gonna mix. Let's try it now. Pretty good. But my birthday, I had an amazing time. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm not talking much. I'm trying to eat. It's so creamy. That egg will make you thirsty. But I can't even talk, y'all. Hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm hungry. Tomato. I had an amazing time for my birthday. I went somewhere everywhere. I know I did not vlog it at that time. The camera was really bad. And my phone was Van Holten's dill pickle. Oh my. Look at that. Good though. This is what I like though. Variety. Not stuck to this one thing, you know. I'm gonna try jalapeno now. Spicy. Whoa, you guys, that's hot. I've been trying to come up with ideas and get some content, better content out to you guys. Like I said, I know I hadn't posted in a while prior to that other video because it was my birthday week. Whoa, y'all. For some reason, those jalapenos are a lot higher today. And I usually can take spice. Whoa. It leaves like an after effect in the back of your throat. Whew. More coleslaw. That definitely calmed it down. But this was just like I needed to get something out to you guys, something. My little mic that I did have, it broke. So I probably won't be doing any ASMRs for a couple of days so I can find a decent one. But I do have cooking tutorial coming in the next 2 days. So you guys make sure you stick around, hit that bell so you won't miss the notification for that. But they are coming. Excuse me. And I love doing ASMRs. They relax me. I feel like you can just zone out and be yourself. It is March Madness. My son's birthday this month. I don't know what he wants to do. He hasn't talked to me about anything. He'll be 15. But we'll see. You can go check out his channel at We'll Try Hard. If you're a gamer, he's a gamer, so if you like playing games and Fortnite and all those type of things, go check out his channel at We'll Try Hard. I'm gonna be eating no more of them jalapenos, y'all. What's that? I'm sorry. Bite that egg. Coleslaw almost gone. That's pretty much it, y'all. I don't really have anything to talk about. I had fun on my birthday. Went out to dinner, spas, did a lot of stuff. Saw family and friends. Now I'm preparing to celebrate my son's birthday. His birthday is on St. Patrick's Day. He's a lucky baby, I guess. But like I said, I'll say it again. The ASMRs are gonna be postponed until I can find a decent mic. Cooking tutorial coming soon. Next 2 days. I'm getting kind of full, y'all. If y'all can tell. My nose running. That's the peppers, and I had, y'all see that? I had a whole pile of them. I'm not buying no more of them. No sirree, Bob. Look at that pickle. I love a dill pickle. I don't really like the hot and spicy. I like the garlic flavored pickle too, but this is good. Big bites. I don't like to really talk with my mouth full, but this is really good. This is a simple lunch. All these vegetables I got, y'all. Y'all see this? Jalapenos, cucumbers, tomatoes, coleslaw, pickles. Then I ate the egg, so I'm good. I'm sorry if I don't finish my ramen, but it's getting kind of cold, so, and I don't like cold pasta. I don't even like macaroni salad like that. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna make something simple tonight for the kids. I may record that. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's real short. You know, my cooking tutorials are never that long. I just wanted to give you guys a video because it's been a few days. But I am back on track now. They will be coming consistently, except for the ASMR. I have to find a decent mic, you guys, so you can at least hear me, you know. So give me a couple of days on that. And that's it. So I'm gonna sign out now. If it cut off, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, share. Feel free to comment down below. Subscribe by hitting that notification bell 2 times, y'all, so y'all won't miss a video. Please and thank you. And as I always say, peace, love, and blessings. Come on now, chopsticks, work with me. And I got these nails on too. Yeah, the struggle is real. Exfoliate my skin. I hope the lighting is okay. I'm looking over there. I have a little mirror monitor thing, so I always do that. The camera's right there. But yeah, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, or are enjoying your day, whatever it may be that you're doing at this time, Pacific time. I'm getting full. I think I'm gonna tap out, y'all. I think I'm gonna tap out. I'm done. I love you. Yeah, I'm done. I don't want to force myself. You know what I mean? You know, you have that feeling where you're like, yeah, I'm full, I'm decent, I'm okay. But you keep eating. That's called overeating. So I'm not going to do that. Sorry, you guys, but I'm done. See you guys in the next video.
I'm done tripping, I'm tripping.